In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add shipping address on Taobao. This is essential to ensure your orders are delivered accurately and efficiently. It allows the platform and sellers to calculate the correct shipping fees, determine delivery options, and avoid delays or misdeliveries. To do this, simply head to Taobao. You want to tap right here, and then select the settings gear icon at your upper right. Head to the very first option of My Addresses. Tap on Add Shipping Address. You want to fill in this address form, and once everything is set, tap on Save. If it's your mostly used address, you want to also enable this option of Set as Default. And by the way, you can add as many addresses as you want. Well, that's how easy it is to add your shipping address on Taobao. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.